there, all over the world. You guys do know I got mad love for y'all. And I so appreciate and just want to tell you that I am so thankful and blessed to have been able to meet so many amazing people. If I've met you in person, if I haven't, I just want a lot of you to know, and you all know who you are, that you guys mean a lot to us, me and Gerald. And we're just really, really blessed. Thank you guys so much. But, on to the main reason of the video. So, no matter what you do in your life, whether you teach, whether you cook, whether you sell drugs, whether you sell cars, it doesn't matter. Anyways, my point, you're always going to have haters, right? And what do they say? Haters are your motivation, or whatever it is, right? Without haters, I guess what? You're doing something wrong. But at times they can definitely hate, and it gets to a point to where they need to get a life. So, you all know who I'm talking about. J8, Goo Ghost, and Aunt P. Let's see here. Pretty sure you guys talk about us a lot. Negative, positively, whichever way it is, because I'm a likable person. Whether you dislike me or you like me, I'm still in everybody's mind every day. So, y'all hate and talk about us, in my opinion, because that's how you guys get your little views, and and it makes conversation, because a lot of people have a lot to say about me and Gerald. But what you fail to realize, I love it. I've come to realize, I just love it. It used to upset me, which I still have a few things that if people talk about, it does get me to that point. And when I get really pissed off, I'm a crier, But anyways, so there's just a few things that are off topics, or off limits. Damn, I can't even talk straight. A few topics that are off limits. I just wanted y'all to know, you three little amigos, three musketeers, these whatever the hell y'all are. You do not affect me in any type of way. You don't affect me. I'm gonna be honest. I've probably only been to y'all's channels maybe once. At least once, but maybe not even more than that. Because I kind of feel bad for you guys. Look at my life. No matter what, I try to make every day the best I can. And as shitty as every day can be for me, it's so hard and it's a struggle, but I always tell myself it can be worse. So, honestly, it's like, these people have so much to say about me, but what they're saying is not even remotely usually close to being the truth. That's the funniest part about it. How can I scam people? Okay, yeah, I'll ask for money, or I'll ask for help. So what? What do they say? A closed mouth won't be fed. Correct? So honestly, I don't exactly know your little things you talk about when you talk about me and Gerald, but I also know that's another issue. I can go on and on, you guys. This is getting to be a long video. But we'll talk about this on the next live. I just would love to let you know that, you're not hurting me. You're not affecting me. More or less, I guess, make your money. And that one day when I'm clean and Jill's clean and we're living that life that's considered normal, but what the hell's normal? You're still gonna be hating. That's the funniest part about it. Whether we're clean, whether we're not, whether you're fat, it doesn't matter. People will always find a reason to hate and kick you while you're down extremely. That's the number one thing. People love to do that. Okay, but anyways, let me quit here. Next live we'll get more into it. Just wanted y'all three to know. I guess it's true when people say I got fans, because you are probably the top 3. You talk more about me than anybody I know. But have a lovely evening, night, sleep tight, and thanks to all my supporters and subscribers. And I love you guys. Holla!